What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing this new Aliexpress vendor that I recently ordered from. And I wanted to go different, so I actually ordered like a kinky, curly, wavy kind of hair texture. So I really hope I like this hair, but let's get right into this video. Stay tuned. Yup.
Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on.
So I ordered some hair from a hair company called Unice hair. Unice, I don't know. But I think it's Unice hair. So I have the details on my phone, so that's what I'm going to be looking at. So I put in the order for my hair on the 28th, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, March 28th, I put in my order for my hair. That was a Thursday. So they delivered my hair on the 31st, and I received my hair on the 2nd. So from the 28th, which was, oh, I'm lying. The 28th was a Wednesday. They sent it out on the 30th. I think. Okay. So they sent it out 2 days later, and I received it in 3 days. So the shipping was not long at all. The pricing was reasonable, and I will put the link down below to this particular hair that I'm going to be reviewing. But it was shipped through USPS. So this is the box that it comes in, and it has their name, logo, and things like that. And on the back, it has the hair care details and the remarks and stuff like that on the back. So it says Unice for your nice, I don't know what I don't know. But it's 100% virgin human hair, and it also has their social media. So they have their YouTube, their Instagram, and their Facebook Messenger. Okay, so this is how this is how it comes in the box. I'm just dropping everything, y'all. This is just a packing list, and yes, it has all 4 bundles in it, and it also comes with lashes. A lot of hair companies are sending lashes with their products now. I'm trying to focus. It's not. Guess it's not gonna focus. Okay, so this is the hair. These are the 3 bundles and a closure. Okay, so I ordered the. Let me get more into detail with the type of hair this is. So this is their Malaysian curly closure and 3 bundles. And it's with Remy human hair. So yeah. These are the 3 24 length bundles, and I have a 20-inch closure. So I'm just going to take out one of the bundles. Well, I'm just going to open one of the bundles since they're all the same. And they're each come in their own little packaging, their own baggie. And I guess that's their barcode, so they'll know like what goes out. So let me open it. Okay, so this is the hair, and it has their tag on it, and it has their logo. It's your satisfaction is our final goal. If you love our hair, please leave us great reviews sharing your beautiful pictures. If not, please contact us instantly. We will solve the problem ASAP. And it has the type of hair that I ordered. Well, just the fact that it's 100% human hair, and on the back it has their care tips. And this hair is really full. I mean, the ends of it do look a little scarce, but I mean, it comes with the length, it comes with the type of hair that I ordered. So I am really not going to be discouraged by that. And the bundle is actually not as slim as I thought it was, since it is a 24, because if you order anything over a 18 or a 20, you should look out for thin bundles, because the longer the hair, the thinner the bundle. So that isn't a problem because I'm used to getting longer hair. So the bundle is actually thick. The top is a really nice thickness to it, but like I said, the ends looking kind of scarce, but that's okay. It's okay, y'all. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go to the closure. Okay, so this is the closure. The closure will need some plucking. As you guys can see, it goes straight across, which means I will need to do a lot to this closure, but I'm not tripping off that or whatever. So this is a free part closure, because if you guys can see, there isn't any pre-plucking with the parts on this closure. And the bottom, it's kind of thicker than the bundle itself, and it looks like it's gonna match up the texture. The texture of this hair is really soft, I must say. It's really soft, but as I pull it, it kind of, I don't like how it looks when I pull. Hopefully they bounce back, because ain't nobody trying to have no scarce ends, you feel me? But this hair do look like it is going to match with texture, because I don't know, but a lot of people, when they buy bundles in their closure and their frontals, they don't really match up. But I think this hair is going to match up perfectly. And another thing I wanted to talk about was their communication. Well, customer service, but their customer service was really good, I must say. Because okay, when I initially ordered this hair, I kind of just put it in my basket. I didn't really, like, you know, order it like right away. So they instantly, you know, contacted me and was like, here's a deal. Because I think I ordered it around when they had their anniversary sale off, I think. Yo, my skin is greasy. Oh my god. Okay, well, I ordered it around when they were having their anniversary sale on Aliexpress. And they do have a website, and I'm going to put their actual website down below also, if you guys just want to go directly to their website. So I'll do that. But they just contacted me and said if you need help, things of that nature. So I ordered it, and any question that I had, they was there to answer within 24 hours. And they was really nice, you feel me? I don't know, I keep on saying you feel me, but you feel me. But yeah, y'all, that's about it. Yeah, that's really about it with this hair. But I will be wearing it in time for my birthday, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, y'all. Girl gonna get it together. So if you guys want to see a video on how I bleach and blend my closures, you know, just give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I will do that for you guys. But like I said, this was the Unice hair company, and the bundles their bundles do match the texture of the closure, so that shouldn't be a problem. Because I know a lot of brands, a lot of companies, a lot of people have that issue with their closure or frontal matching their actual bundles. So that's a good thing that they actually match the texture and whatnot. I'm just gonna hold them side by side so you guys can see. But yeah, like I said, if you want to see me bleach this closure or blend it to my skin, just let me know in the comment section down below, and give this video a thumbs up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, and I will be back with more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Deuce gang.